Hello, so I'm here on Marion Island and I'm going to walk over to this building as I want to take this and put it into my inventory. So let's see over here. I'll right click on here, and take a copy, which has now been entered into my inventory. Okay, now I'm on my island, New York City Fashion Landmarks, and I'm going to drop that building in this empty space here. So I'll go to my inventory and I see here building. Okay, now the building's been dropped here and I'd like to change a little bit of the texture. So in changing the texture, I'm going to come on over, hover into this texture box, and go into my OpenSim library to see what's offered. So I can kind of go through a few things just to see what it looks like. This brick options, I'm just going to leave it here just so we can see some color and some true texture change here. I'll click OK here, so we see that that has been done. I'm going to try to save this. If I go to General, right now it's called Building Double Entry, so I'll call it Brick Building